Farm Track weather with meteorologist Ryan Matoush.
Welcome back, everyone, and good Friday morning. Happy New Year's Eve as well. Winter weather on the way, starting with winter storm warnings up towards the north. Winter storm watches for central portions of the viewing area. That's highlighted in the light blue right there. Highest confidence is up north. That's where the highest snowfall total should be as well. And our winter storm watch could be upgraded to a winter storm warning a little bit later today. So let's go ahead and talk about all of that. Here's what's on tap. It's going to be mild for today. Temperatures largely in the middle 50s for the I-70 corridor and further south. That winter storm on the way. Impacts will be mostly felt for our Saturday. It's going to include snow, sleet, and wind, one of our favorites out here. Very cold temperatures are also expected Sunday morning. Wind chill values could dip below -10, maybe even -20 degrees. So some much cooler air on the way. Currently, temperatures in the upper 20s here in Topeka. Winds are calm for now, but that will change as that front moves through. Winds will be really starting to kick up overnight. Temperatures largely in the middle 20s for Marysville and Manhattan. 36 for Concordia this morning. 37 for Emporia and Burlington. Visibility, it's okay overall, but up towards the northeast, we are watching some pockets of fog. Hold on just a little bit longer. Down to less than a half mile for Topeka. Lawrence sitting at 7 miles an hour. In areas such as Holton and Hiawatha seeing some fog as well. A live look outside our Holton cam right here. Things are slowly starting to clear up, and that's going to be the case as we move on through the morning as well. So let's talk temperatures. By today, or this afternoon I should say, mostly for the I-70 corridor and south. Middle to upper 50s, maybe some lower 60s, and then a little bit further north, lower to middle 30s expected for our northern viewing area. That's because our cold front is on the way. And as it moves into town, right around 6 or 7 o'clock, that cooler air is going to filter in and take us all the way through the next few days. Here's right around 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock in the morning tonight. Starting out the new year, we'll be in those 20s, some upper teens a little bit further north. And then early Saturday morning, our highs for the day likely taking place in the upper teens and lower 20s, because take a look at this. By the afternoon, we're just not going to warm up a whole lot. Single digits looking likely all day tomorrow with maybe a few teens in there as well. So again, cooler air on the way. Wind speeds for this afternoon really picking up right around dinner time. See the winds change directions right there. That's our front moving into town, 15 to 25 miles an hour, possibly gusting up towards 30. So with that cooler air and the wind combined, well, we have to talk wind chill. Here's about 1:30 in the morning for us. If you happen to be out and about, it's going to feel like the single digits, if not cooler. Wind chill really starts to set in early tomorrow morning. And then by the afternoon, this is 4 o'clock for us. This should be peak heating, but it's only going to feel like -20 degrees outside. So bundle up throughout the day tomorrow. And then timing out the system itself. Let's break it down. Mostly cloudy skies expected by this afternoon, all the way through about 10 or 11 o'clock, when finally models showing those precipitation chances really increase for our northwestern portions of the viewing area first. Here's 12:30. Even at this time, though, if you're coming back from festivities, I want to note that freezing rain and freezing drizzle will all be possible, so use some caution on the road after midnight tonight. The main effects really move in right around 4 or 5 o'clock early tomorrow morning. All this pink right here, wintry mix, sleet, snow, you name it, really going to create some hazardous driving conditions early tomorrow morning. And then the heaviest snowfall expected to move in right around 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning, and most of that heavy snowfall hanging out towards the northern portions of the viewing area. Perhaps a brief clearing right around 4 or 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and some more snow flurries or showers moving in by 9 or 10 o'clock. So here's what we can expect for snowfall totals. The heaviest amounts up north, 4 to 8 inches, 3 to 5 right along the I-70 corridor, 1 to 3 inches just a little bit further south. But again, we want to stress impacts here. Slippery driving conditions. We're going to be watching those wind chills in the -20s. It's going to be a very cold one. 55 today, 16 for our high on Saturday, -3 Saturday into early Sunday morning. And then the rest of the week, we're watching 30s and 40s.